Alright, first let's find out how big our roundhouse can be if we lay down the foundation using just one rotation tick of the log beam. So what I mean is this. So we just lay one down. Next one, just rotate it one tick of the mouse and keep repeating this process until we have the full round structure. Yeah, so just one. And the hope is at the end, the two ends will meet up and we will have created a round foundation. Right? Yeah, so there we go. And let's see how wide this is in total in terms of 2-meter beams. So let's place one in the center. Like so. I think I have to eyeball this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one is 2 meters, so that's what, 10 meters across. That's our I guess diameter. Let's lay down another one that goes across, so it creates a cross section, so we can find the center of the structure. So I'm just gonna eyeball this again. Oops. Right. Okay, so now we know that this is a centerpiece right here, but we have a problem, which is I want to stake down a vertical wooden pole in the middle to determine where the exact center is. Yeah, the problem is it doesn't snap to the center, so I have to eyeball it, right? So I have to like this and play with the camera orientation to figure out whether I got it correctly or not. Yes, I don't like this. So I'm going to go about building this in a slightly different manner to resolve this issue. Okay, now we know that our max diameter for our circular building is 5 beams across, which is 10 meters across. But we have that problem with not being able to easily find the center point. So I'm going to go about laying down the foundation a different way. So I'm going to just put down this 1 meter beam on the ground. Like so. And then second one like so. And the reason why I'm doing this is because you see how the additional snapping points are created. So that when I lay down a vertical wooden pole, I could do it right in the middle of the center like this. Yeah, so we know that this needs to be 5 across, right? So let's do that here. So that's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? In here. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so now we have a 5 going across this way, 5 going across that way, right? Okay, so now we need to build that circular outline around this. So let's do that. Stay with the 1 meter block because if you choose a 2 meter version, you'll see that it's not easy to find the middle point of this. You see how it doesn't automatically snap to the middle. So choose the 1 meter version. Just snap it at the end like this, right? And then choose a 2 meter version. Then rotate it one tick like this, and they keep going around. Same way, and you see if you do this, how this one is exactly in the middle. Yeah, so keep doing this. Right, so now you have a round foundation with the center exactly in the middle. I want this to have a traditional roof for a square building. So what you want to do is you want to find the guide piece like that comes out from the center pole and the perpendicular piece that attaches to it, and just extend it out like so that it surrounds the entire circle like this. Right? Yeah, so it surrounds the circle like so. Yeah, so just build a square around the circle. Alright. Yes, so now this is going to serve as the, I guess, the frame of our roof. So put down a 2 meter pole. We don't really need to worry about the orientation because we're going to remove it later, but yeah, put down 2 meter poles like this in each of the corners. let's lay down the foundation for the roof, where the roof should go. Let's see, on wood here. It's wrong location. Alright. Yes, fortunately the size is just big enough that we don't have to worry about adding additional, I guess, superstructure to this, but let's continue building to see whether that's true or not. Yeah, I'm gonna make this one, let me see, let's make this into 45. I like in higher ceiling, so let's choose the outer 45-inch one. Set, just, yeah, rotate it like so, and just like target the cursor right at the corner like this, so it snaps into place. And do this for all 4 corners. Okay, alright, now choose the 45 degrees dashed roof version of this roof and just snap it into place. Okay, a little bit more to go here. Alright, keep snapping it into place here. Keep continuing with the outer corner pieces. You'll be alternating back and forth between the corner pieces and the regular roof, depending on how large the building is. You'll have to do it multiple times, but you know, the game has structural integrity of the buildings built into the system, so there will be a limit to how tall you could build this up using wood, at least. You see how this one is orange? That means whatever's hanging off this piece is going to be red if it doesn't touch any other supporting structures. So yeah, let's keep doing this. Yeah, so now you have the little hole on the top. Let's see, I like to extend the center piece out to the top, like that. Right, set down a 1 meter pole at the top. We're going to use this to guide our snapping point. So choose the dash roof outer corner, this one like this. Set the snapping point to top center and just set it and rotate it, you know, so that it matches up with the edge like this, and just snap it into place. And for the last one, you will have to get out of the way, or I will have to get out of the way. Yep, there you go. Okay, now let's build the walls. Remember, circular building, so use the circle and not the outer square perimeter here. Yeah, so just simply lay down, snap it into place following the frame that you put down. This should be very simple. So the walls are done, so now let's get out. Let me destroy this, we don't need this anymore, and now create a door right here. So we can get out later. So it looks like this right now. As I think we could get rid of this supporting structure. It should still hold up. Yeah. Now go around and just remove this square up. Piece. Okay, no. Hammer. Yeah, so now what you should have is a structure that looks like this. Let me see. Let me create a door here. Yeah, and you could go in. Actually, I need a stair. Let's create a little. Yeah, so I should be able to go in now easily. And we can remove the supporting structures. And at this size, I think you could even remove this piece and that piece, and the building should still hold up. You should have a nice round house with a squared roof. Oh, you may want to place another stair right here so that it makes it easy walking in and out. Yeah. Yeah, so like what was going on here was that there was I guess the wooden beam was getting in the way of me exiting, so I just removed the wooden beam on the top and just placed some stairs going in and out of this building. Yes, so